Hi, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. It really means a lot that you've selected my video to spend the next 20 minutes of your time. Hopefully you watch until the end. I have lots of great cleaning and decorating going on here today. Also, I realized I never really introduce myself in my videos. I just assume that you guys know who I am. My name is Chris, and I live in Dallas, Texas with my two dogs, Queen and Snoop. I work from home, not out of the office, so I am always here, which is probably also why I am never not cleaning. But he's not here. I took the week before Thanksgiving off of work because I had a lot of time that I needed to either use or lose. So this week I decided to do a few projects around the house and put up all of my Christmas decor. While I'm putting up the Christmas decor, I'm also doing a little bit of cleaning in each space because once all of the decorations go up, I am not going to take them down to clean for the next month. He missed out on love, and that's for sure. I've had this tree for about 6 or 7 years, and it used to be a pre-lit tree, and some of the bulbs burned out, and I couldn't find which one to replace, so the middle part of the tree wasn't working. Last year I spent probably a solid 3 hours taking all the lights off of the tree. I don't know if you've ever removed the lights like that from a pre-lit tree, but let me tell you, I do not recommend. It was so time consuming and so tedious, it probably would have been a lot more efficient to just buy a new stinking tree. But now that they're off, I'm still going to use it until I can't use it anymore. And I'm not there. I don't know what you want now. As I'm unpacking these boxes of all of my decor, I'm taking everything that goes on the tree and putting it over here next to the tree so that when my family comes on Thanksgiving, they can help me actually decorate. Well, that didn't happen. So they came, they ate, they left, and my tree is still sitting there undecorated. I had other projects to do using the time I've taken off of work that are just really time consuming, like painting my hallway and all of my doors. So decorating the tree is going to have to be another day. That's for sure. You ain't ringing my bells. You ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure. I really love the size of this console table here. It's 55 inches long, but it's only 10 inches deep, which is perfect for this space. The old table that I had there was the same length, but it was about 15 inches deep, and because I want my dining room table centered underneath the light, the old table was too intrusive, or it was just a little bit too big, and it was almost right up against the dining room table chairs. So I got this smaller table and it fits perfect in the space. But cleaning all 3 of these shelves is just such a pain because they're all glass, and so they do get dirty pretty quickly, whereas the other table was more like a rustic farmhouse type table, so it was a lot easier to clean. But I still love the table and it fits perfect in the space, but the only thing I would change is the glass top. I cannot tell you how many minutes of time I cut out of this video of me fighting with this stupid stuff. Every time I would get it to stick up there and stay, it would just drop down and fall again. These 2 glass vases here I'm filling with just plastic bulbs of different sizes. Normally they sit on my fireplace mantle and they have little fairy lights in them with timers. So during the holidays I just fill them with these little bulbs for extra decor. am happy to say, after fighting with these little beads this last time, that they are still standing.
Don't touch it. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to
32 years ago, I got a hand-painted Santa and 2 reindeer that my neighbor made for me when I was pregnant with my daughter. So every single year I put out the Santa and these 2 reindeer, but 10 years ago, my granddaughter, who was 3 at the time, broke the Santa. So I replaced it with this one from Pier 1. It doesn't match exactly, but I mean, it's Santa. He goes with everything, right?
memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, making our Christmas memories.
Usually whenever I'm cleaning the house, I have in my AirPods and I'm listening to an audiobook or sometimes just music. But on this day, it's dead silent inside my house, except for this fireplace ambiance on the TV. It actually makes crackling sounds like a fire, and I swear that my house felt warmer just by having it on the TV. It's like a psychological thing.
The melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times.
I had such a hard time finding decor for this table. I must have moved it around, I don't know, 7 or 8 times, and even at the end of this video, you'll see it's different than what you see here.
This is how it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how
Now I want to address the wax spilled all over this table. It's not just spilled. You can see there's like a little line coming from the wax warmer as if it were, I don't know, maybe bumped or something. I could not figure out how this kept happening because I kept cleaning it up and then every couple of days it would be there again. Now, if you know me or if you watched any of my videos, you know I am not new to spilling wax. I spill wax all the time, but this I did not do. So after several days of cleaning this up over the course of a week several times, I figured out what was happening with this wax. My dog, my boy dog Snoop, likes to climb up onto the pillows. So the little section of the couch here, I have a blanket that my 2 dogs are allowed to lay on, but they are not allowed on any other part of my couch. My boy dog climbs up on top of the pillows that are on this section of the couch, and he's bumping the table, which is spilling the wax. I actually saw him do it because it was driving me crazy figuring out where this wax was coming from. I thought maybe it was the baby, but now I know it's my stinking dog.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day.
As I'm watching this video back, I'm thinking about the Christmas decor that I've bought in the past. Almost everything that you see me decorate with, I've had years and years and years, like 10 years or more, and some things 30 years, like the little Santa and the reindeer. These pillow covers I bought maybe 2 years ago. They're probably the last Christmas decor I actually purchased because I don't go out and buy stuff like that every year. I just use what I have over and over again. Do you guys go and buy new Christmas decor every year? I just don't have space for all of this stuff decorating in my house and storing it, so I don't keep buying new stuff. I guess I could get rid of some old stuff, but I use everything I have, so I don't have anything to get rid of.
You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk. We can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go all I want is to spend this day with you.
Remember what I said earlier about not taking all of this down to clean once I put it up? I noticed watching this video back that I forgot to put lights up here. I have another set of little fairy lights that are on a timer, so they stay, I think, on for 6 hours and then off, and they come on and off every day at the same time. And I forgot to put them in this little row of garland. I am not about to take all those bulbs down just to put lights in there, so maybe next year I'll remember.
Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.
Are you guys sick of hearing all the Christmas music yet? I ask this because all the YouTube videos that I watch have all the same music from Epidemic Sound, which is who I also use. So when I searched for Christmas music today, it sort of hurt my heart a little bit because while I love Christmas, I love everything about Christmas. I love what it stands for. I love Jesus. I love Santa. I love decorating for Christmas. I love spending time with my family at Christmas. I just love the holidays. But I hate Christmas music. I don't like Christmas music even a little bit. So the fact that I'm putting it in my video, it just sort of pains my soul. But I do it for you guys, for your love of Christmas music. Do you know if it's possible to train your dog to put their toys away? Because I swear, putting my dog's toys away is like following a toddler around putting their toys away. Every time I put something away, I turn around and it's right back out, all over the floor, all over the whole house. I can't even tell you how many times I've stepped on those stinking bones and almost broken my neck because I step on it and it rolls across the floor and I almost fall.
By the tree, they don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight. But his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please,
I have 2 of these wood signs that I made over the years at a place here in Dallas called Design in Mine. This one usually hangs on the wall over my fireplace, but I got that mirror that's currently over the fireplace for Christmas last year. So instead of taking it down, I'm going to hang this someplace else in my house, and then the other one goes on my front porch.
Now we're back here once again.
All of the normal decorations that I have throughout my house during the rest of the year is now going in these Christmas storage bins to go out in the garage. And then after New Year's, I will take them all back out and redecorate with all my normal stuff. I don't normally decorate my bedroom or put anything Christmas related in here, but I had these extra pillows and extra pillow covers, so I decided to just throw one of them on my bed in here, and then the other one is in the guest bedroom. My granddaughter was here the weekend before I filmed this video, and then my daughter also came and stayed for a couple days just to hang out and I guess have me wait on her and make her food. So after she left, I stripped the bed and washed all the sheets and comforters and everything, and man, I hate making this bed. I hate making any bed that's up against the wall. It's such a pain. This one's only a twin size. My granddaughter's is a queen size, and it's just, I don't know. I hate it. I love the bed though. I just hate making it. If you're still here, that means that you liked my video, so hopefully you click that like button, and if you want to see some more cleaning motivation, some tasks I do around the house, some home improvements, some painting, that's what's coming up next week. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of that, and enjoy the final look of all of my Christmas decor.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do.